Dstack. Web3 made easy every day. Learn, explore the simple way.
You're watching Dstack. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for the latest in Web3, Polkadot Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Leave a comment to join the conversation, and be sure to share this video to spread the future of tech. Ever felt that nagging doubt about what's really running in the cloud? For content creators leveraging AI, blind trust in opaque infrastructure is a major concern. Today, we're cracking open the black box of AI with Phala's Dstack, a game-changer for privacy and control. At its core, a trusted execution environment, TE, is a secure, safe room built into processor chips. Giants like Intel and AMD create these hardware enclaves. They isolate sensitive code and data, protecting them even if the operating system is compromised. This isolation forms the foundation of zero-trust computing for AI and cloud applications. No one, not even system administrators, can peek inside the enclave. This ensures your confidential AI models and data remain private. The magic of TEEs lies in remote attestation. This process allows external parties to cryptographically verify the code running inside an enclave. You can be sure your sensitive data is handled only by approved, untampered code. Attestation verification is crucial for cloud trust, especially in multi-party AI workflows. It provides a verifiable chain of custody for your AI operations. Despite their promise, traditional TEEs have a critical flaw. The root of trust is controlled by hardware vendors. If Intel or AMD's keys are compromised, every TEE built on their chips is at risk. This creates a single point of failure. Developers also face real-world pain points. Migrating or revoking enclaves often depends on proprietary APIs and vendor cooperation. There's little transparency or control, leading to frustrating debugging experiences. Phala's Dstack changes this paradigm by introducing an on-chain key management service, KMS. It shifts the trust anchor from hardware vendors to the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum smart contracts become the impartial gatekeeper for TEE keys and policy enforcement. This means rules are enforced transparently and collectively on-chain, not by a single vendor. Developers and enterprises no longer rely on opaque APIs or private admin actions. When a new TEE enclave starts, it submits an attestation to the on-chain KMS. The KMS checks this against policies stored in Ethereum smart contracts. If everything matches, the KMS delivers a unique key to the enclave. Every key issuance, revocation, or update is recorded as an on-chain event. This creates a public, auditable trail for all to see. This decentralized root of trust, DROT, means no single entity can compromise the system. Dstack powers secure AI workflows that are both private and publicly auditable. Imagine LLM inference with cryptographic receipts. Every AI response is signed inside the enclave, providing undeniable proof of its origin and integrity. Cross-organization analytics become possible without compromising privacy. Two parties can collaborate on research, loading encrypted data into a shared enclave. Ethereum smart contracts enforce strict access rules, ensuring compliance. Dstack enables DAOs to set policies for autonomous bots, locking down their logic inside TEEs. This prevents rogue agents from silently changing their code. It ensures trustworthy, auditable automation. For zero-knowledge AI serving, encrypted models and queries are only decrypted inside the enclave. Clear answers are returned, but no party sees raw data. This offers strong privacy for sensitive workloads. Traditional cloud providers like AWS and Azure secure code in TEEs, but keep attestation logs private. Users must trust their internal KMS and opaque APIs. Phala's Dstack externalizes trust by publishing proofs on Ethereum. This public proof model means anyone can verify code, key events, and policies via open APIs. Unlike traditional clouds, there's no reliance on opaque logs. The evidence is on-chain and immutable. Web3 rivals like Secret Network build custom blockchains for confidential smart contracts. However, they often require new languages and limit interoperability. Dstack supports Linux containers and standard binaries, integrating with existing DevOps flows. Pure cryptographic solutions like zero-knowledge proofs, ZK, offer strong privacy but are slow and expensive for AI workloads. Dstack's hybrid approach combines hardware-accelerated TEEs for performance with Ethereum's decentralized governance. This blend enables scalable, auditable, confidential AI computing at a fraction of the cost and latency of pure crypto solutions. It makes zero-trust computing practical for enterprises and developers. The era of blind trust in AI infrastructure is ending. Phala's Dstack fundamentally rewrites how trust is established in secure, decentralized AI workflows. It anchors confidential computing in collective, auditable proofs on the Ethereum blockchain. This commitment to transparency is more than technical. It's a new standard. For AI developers, it means building with confidence, knowing every step is auditable. For enterprises, it offers demonstrable evidence of data privacy and operational integrity. Ready to build AI that people can truly trust? Explore Phala's Dstack and revolutionize your confidential computing projects. Visit Phala Network's documentation and GitHub to dive into their open-source tools. Join the community of innovators shaping the future of privacy-preserving AI. Start building with verifiable, auditable, and transparent AI infrastructure. Your audience deserves to know what's really running behind the scenes. Looking to earn rewards with decentralized finance? We recommend checking out Hydration.net, a next-generation platform that makes decentralized finance easier and more rewarding. If your account is not attached to a referrer, you are missing out. Add a referrer, and you will receive 10% cash back on your own Omnipool trades. Use our referral code today, HFWM14F. Hey everyone, thanks for watching Dstack. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next in Web3, Polkadot, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with a friend who loves innovation. The content provided on Dstack is for informational and educational purposes only. Nothing in this video should be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. All investments involve risk, and you are solely responsible for your own choices.
Dstack. With Polkadot, the future's bright. Trades connected day and night. Innovation takes its flight. Web3 powered. Shining light.